It is Thursday, April 22nd, 2021, and one of West Farms, Family Farms, peanut fields. It's going to be a peanut field. As you can see here, it is just absolutely doing a beautiful job. Unbelievable. Those stainless steel rollers. Got to thank Ray and Charles Tooley for that. I would have never come up with that. But it has really been good. It's really been good. Doing a great job. Just doing an absolutely great job here. Just don't get no better than that. Just don't get no better. Been great working with them. Great family to work with.